Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. Yeah, I found.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is definitely impromptu. My scalp has been like attacking me. My scalp has been betraying me like my face sometimes does. My scalp is just acting crazy, and don't laugh, okay? I know I live in Miami, but I think it's the weather change. I think this like 50 degrees, 40 degrees. I know y'all in the north living in -2 and -20. Y'all are dying of freezing to death. I'm not doing that. I live in Miami. But this weather is cold to me. I was born and raised here, okay? My family's bloodline, my veins are Jamaican veins. I don't belong in the cold, okay? I'm actually cold right now. I was like, I'm gonna make a mask. I need to alleviate this, and I was actually going to just make it myself and put it in my hair and put it on Instagram and Snapchat. Then I was like, pause, wait. What am I if not someone that loves to share and overshare at that? So I'm gonna share with you guys my little clay mask, my DIY clay mask for dry, itchy scalp, for moisture problems, for definition. You know, y'all already know. If you don't know, if I'm the first person you've ever seen do a DIY clay video, hello, how are you? But I know it's a very popular thing. I mean, I went natural years ago and people were doing it years ago, so I'm sure it's still very popular to this day, and it actually really freaking works. So I'm gonna show you guys how I mix it, what I'm gonna use, and we're gonna get into the video. What I wanted to say was that I wish I had Rasul clay. I absolutely love Rasul clay. I plan to buy some soon. Bentonite clay is dope and everything, and it definitely does get your hair clean and defined and whatever, but Rasul clay has this softening effect that it's just to die for. It's a little note. I'm off to the side over here in the corner in the cut. I'm gonna put all the information right here because I'm not gonna remember all the details. Y'all already know. If you are new here, subscribe because we are on the way to 10K, baby. And yeah, like, okay, I'm annoying as hell. I have a glass bowl, first things first, and I have some tools to mix and stir and gather the stuff. So that sounded so stupid. The first thing I'm gonna do is get my Indian healing clay. This can you purchase anywhere, like anywhere. So I use this for face masks, I use this for everything, but I haven't used it in a while on my hair because I'm lazy. So I'm gonna scoop up, this is a 1/4 cup. I think I'll do a half a cup for my whole head. I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of the clay. Okay, another 1/4 cup of the clay. And that should be enough for all of my hair because that's a half a cup of clay. So now I'm going to go ahead and put everyone's favorite, the apple cider vinegar. And you can see that I actually use this stuff. No shade, but people be buying stuff for DIY videos knowing damn well they don't ever touch this. Like, I just don't understand. But everyone isn't a DIY queen. I'm not a DIY queen, but I actually do take this internally every day. It's an excellent probiotic. It's excellent for your gut health. It tastes like crap, but it's also really good for immunity if you don't want to get sick. If I have an itchy throat, I take this with some oregano oil, and baby, pro tip of the day from Lexi, oregano oil and ACB for immunity boosting, baby girl. All right, it's a lot of talking I'm doing, so very annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna put about a 1/4 cup of the ACV. I'm sorry if you wanted to watch me mix this. I just didn't really feel like doing all that. Because remember, I was going to do like a really by myself mix, but I was like, okay, I'll make a video about it. It's bubbling. You can see. Oh, you can see it. It's fizzing up, bubbling up. And I'm going to take my restaurant fork/chopsticks and get a little mixing action going on. Everyone says this, I'll say it to you guys, you don't want to use metal, you want to use glass and plastic to get this poppin', okay? I don't know why, I don't care why, I'm sure it's about the chemical reactions. So that was nowhere near enough vinegar, which is why I hate to measure stuff. I'm just gonna start pouring. If you guys are curious, this twist out that I'm rocking right now, this is the result. It's been about 5 days since I did that video. So the result of me mixing all my twisting products together and twisting my hair, this was the result. I'm getting the perfect consistency. This is my recommendation. You guys, like, pour until you feel comfortable. That's a horrible recommendation. So this is what I got right now. That's enough for my whole head. And now I'm going to add my oils. So I'm going to use 2 different oils that are all natural. You can definitely buy like pure almond oil, pure castor oil, pure olive oil. I wanted this to be like a max moisture situation, so, and like just max everything. So I'm using my Tailored Beauty Grow Thick oil, and this oil is castor oil based, the first oil in it. And then we have sesame seed oil, avocado oil, apricot oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and rosemary oil. If you don't know, rosemary oil is amazing for itchy scalp. And so are the other oils I'm going to put in here. So I actually do have rosemary essential oil on here, but because it has it in it, I didn't have to get it. And you can actually smell the rosemary in this product. So I'm going to just drop, I don't know, I'm just going to squirt some oil in here. Okay, so y'all saw, I don't know how much that was, but you guys saw what I did, so. And now I'm going to add this Femme Noir Flower Bomb Hair Growth Oil. And this, it has rose on the bottom. I did a video with this brand, both those brands, so I'll link them so you can check them out if you're curious about how those products perform. And this one is Lang Lang oil, which is supposed to strengthen the hair follicles and promote thick and full hair. Coconut oil, castor oil, avocado oil. And this stuff is bomb. It really does soften my hair. Lang Lang oil is bomb. So I'm gonna take it out, show you guys the thing, and I'm gonna drop the same amount of castor I'm gonna put of this oil. Okay. If you like need, you know, to have measurements, definitely watch another video, definitely Google some recipes. I'm just not that kind of person, so I'm sorry if I'm just not making this helpful. Now I have some tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is my dry scalp remedy. Tea tree oil is my life remedy. I use it on my pimples, but you know, my skin, girl, my skin is like, who are you? Don't talk to me, okay? Don't talk to me because I'm skin's popping. So what pimple? Where pimple? Who pimple? What's a pimple? Okay, so I'm gonna drop that much. That was about like 10 drops of tea tree oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some lavender oil. And I didn't buy any of this stuff, and I don't recommend that. If you don't use oils on a regular basis, if you don't burn them in your house, if you don't put them on your body, if you don't put them in your shower, in your bath, you don't need to buy it. Just use what you have on hand. People love to go overboard because if you buy this expensive stuff, these oils are not cheap. I'm gonna put about 5 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you buy stuff like this and you're not going to use it, it ends up going to waste. So yeah, I use all that stuff in my regular regimens. I'm going to mix it up now because it's going to be loud. So I'll be back when it's all mixed. Go get the money. Go get the money. I wish the clay wasn't the exact same color as the damn bowl, but this is my mixture. You can barely see because it's like the same color as the bowl. I'm an idiot. But this is the mixture. Okay. Super creamy. Oh, my scalp is so itchy. Okay guys, so my hair is wet. It's not dripping wet, but I didn't want that, but it is wet. It's past damp. Okay, so now I'm gonna just scoop up some of my mixture. This is how thick it is. Pretty thick. It feels like a deep conditioner, like that's the thickness of it. And I'm going to apply it to the section. Make sure your hair is wet though. You do not want your hair to sit here and be bone dry because it's gonna break. Like, this stuff is thick. Unless you make your mixture really thin and liquidy, that's a different story. But yeah, so make sure that you wet your hair before you apply the clay. I have a giveaway on my Instagram right now. I'm giving away 2 of the Natural Club deep conditioners. And they are giving away 2 as well on the same post on their Instagram page. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you're missing out because I be trying to look out for y'all. So that's why we're doing that giveaway. Guys, my hair is so soft. Literally feels like I put the best conditioner. Like, I don't know what to say. It is no. And I knew that I like clay washing, but I haven't made my own in so long. The oils softened up my hair like crazy. I did a cold rinse because I was like, yo, I need to save this moisture. I never do cold rinses. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, that's how you feel? That's how you feel? That's how you feel, curls? That's how you feel, curls? Oh my god, my hair looks so good, guys. So let me know if you guys have ever tried, I can't stop touching my hair. Let me know if you guys have ever tried a, whatever this is called, clay wash, DIY clay wash. Oh man, it's been so long and I'm literally in love. I cannot even deal. I cannot deal. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna style my hair now, but like for real, what is going on? And look at this growth, baby. Okay, for real, like my hair feels amazing. My hair smells good. Those oils made it smell really good. It feels so clean, but it's like, oh, I wish we can like put your hands in my hair, even though I hate that in real life. I know I just said that, but oh my god. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. I love you all. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot and I really, yeah, like come on. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.